everyone, it's Lonnie and welcome to another vlog. So today we are heading to the APR open house and we are in Alabama, so we are going to go get some food and head over there right now.
Can I get a bacon, egg, and cheese on a bagel? Be safe, man.
Alright, man.
Okay. So just pull over here, right?
Yeah. We just got here and we're just walking up and we parked our Honda away from everyone. It's still really early, so no one's really here yet. Ready?
Yep, let's go.
Hi, I'm Nalanie.
I'm Aaron. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There you go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is yours. Ooh, so sweet.
Maybe? No?
Maybe.
The weather is beautiful.
What's up, y'all?
Look how cute you are. Okay, so we're gonna try to go to see this tour.
Team in here is responsible for prepping the cars for development. This is marketing. Marketing for both brands, although most of the Dinan stuff would be in the next room. So a lot of course, what you see in here is Audi, Volkswagen related.
Look at all the Hot Wheels.
Watch your step.
We lost our whole tour group.
Struggling right now. It's like, I usually use an M and this is like S. But we added
Thank you.
R's to it.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, look at all these toys. I love this.
This isn't your cube, is it?
No.
This is the stuff that horrible.
If we want to test fit that part on the vehicle, we can print through a nozzle at the top of this machine. It actually melts it and extrudes it through a really, really small hole. So we have three chassis on there that we're actually running the vehicle itself and then running transfers down to our cage. So ultimately, it makes that product better as well. In fact, after this data acquisition for the insulin pressure, we maybe
I can. I'm on my phone.
There you go. Feel some air. All right.
Hi, Aaron.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. Wrappings.
You got a whole fingers.
All right, guys. So they'll finish good. They will walk around the ground.
Can you say that again?
Yes, all the blue bins that you see are for Dinan, and all the red bins are for APR.
Awesome, thank you.
We are helping keep U-Line in business.
I see that. For sure.
All right, yes.
When you guys see the... Like a multi, like just trying to figure out shit.
Alright, so the other bill, we did a lot of castings on that. Probably the most notable thing, so this is actually make the part on the screen. Cutting edge graphics. Very, very modern.
There's so much stuff going on here. Like, there's so much
All right, keep on. So this is Dinan's well.
Okay, so the tour's over. That was actually really cool. This place is huge. I just met Alyssa and she subscribed. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dustin.
Hi Dustin, nice to meet you.
Nalanie, that's beautiful.
Thank you. Nice to meet
Hi.
you.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm fantastic.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing
You look
fantastic.
very comfortable. Oh my gosh, look. Little lower doggy. Hi. I'm ready for food. Let's go. Grabby's grabbing the food because I'm holding all the camera stuff. What you got there?
Hopefully they're right.
We got burrito bowls. Good boy.
Thanks.
Thanks, honey. This is the Dino fan. Ooh, so big.
Big boy. It's like our overflow garage. Car parts.
I can't see the game at all.
Everyone's all about football here, huh?
Everybody's trying to watch football in here.
They flipped it so we couldn't watch. Are you guys waiting before this car goes?
I don't know what they're doing.
Die-hard football town.
Yeah, oh dude. On the weekends it gets, like I said, it gets crazy.
We're trying to make a pixel screen a couple more at the top. Another like 6 pixels we can use there.
There's a glare. Nobody can see. They have by far the nicest dining room. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but they brought the drone. So they gave us meal tickets, and we have 2 more, so I think I want to do screen. Here we go. Oh no, they left.
I bought my house, you don't like to talk about it, but like, I bought a 35.
They were over there. There's no ice cream, they left. This building's so nice. Look at those majestic stairs. I'm gonna film like Rabby, look. Whee. I filmed like you, look. Look, they have helmets. I need one. I should get up before I lose Rabby. Okay, let's go find him. I found him.
T-shirts,
Thank you.
got you some cups, lanyards, keychains, everything, just some swag.
Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah.
I lost
All right.
Rabby.
Where'd he go?
I don't know, I
I
lost
think he's
him.
over here.
Where?
I thought he went out in the lobby.
I lose him all the time. Let's go find him.
I have a couple more if you want.
Yeah, no. I'm just glad that the clouds rolled in.
Thank you.
It was supposed to be partly cloudy all day. And
Yeah.
We're all waiting to see what's gonna happen. Literally, everybody is waiting. Bye. Thank you for everything.
Yeah, thank you. It was awesome. Thank you for coming out. Thank you for shooting everything. It's a good time. Man, thanks for coming out. For sure, man.
It was nice meeting you.
It was nice meeting you.
So we're almost out of all our batteries now. We didn't get ice cream, and we did film a lot. I filmed a lot on that thing, which is tight.
And I'm on my last battery.
I have to do my vlog still, but I guess this is how we're gonna end her vlog.
Yeah.
Unless we get ice cream, then maybe she'll film that. But for now, I guess, you know, subscribe and stuff if you like this. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon.
Ooh. Okay, it's not ice cream, but it's better. Thanks.
No, it's mine.
Sure, it's mine. War of greediness.
Let us eat.
Okay, so it's Sunday and we are getting ready to head home. The APR open house was amazing. It was really interesting, a lot of fun. And by the time we got back to the hotel, we were really exhausted. We had plans of meeting up with everyone afterwards, but we were just really tired. We needed to rest because we do have a long drive today. So yeah, we're gonna start driving right now.
Yep. Love a long drive. We gotta check everything one more time though.
Okay.
Come on, right side.
Yes. Hi. I don't even think I showed you guys how pretty the hotel was. Look. Hopefully that was a motion sickness. I'll do it again. So we're almost home, so I'm going to end the vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I didn't finish my vlog yet. No.